welcome back to my channel. So this is the Jolly Vrishti aka Being Meow. That's my Instagram handle. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do follow me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So today you will be thinking that why am I so dressed up? So I will tell you why. Because it's raining heavily and lighting भी उसकी वजह से थोड़ी बिगड़ी हुई है. So I'm sorry for the background noise actually because it's raining. So I am dressed up because there is a Hindu tradition known as Jaya Parvati. The girls might be knowing more about it. So that is a tradition which is followed since many years, ages I think so. And in that you have to do fasting for 5 days. And it's not a normal fasting. उसमें you can't eat salt. Salt नहीं खा सकते. Some people don't even eat potatoes, and so some people are allowed to eat potatoes and some don't. And it comes in the month of Ashad. It is known as Ashad in Gujarati, and you have to do it for 5 days. After on the 5th day there is Jagran, like kind of night out if you say, in which you have to stay awake till 6 a.m. like 6 in the morning, and then you can sleep. And then next day, that is the 6th day, you have to wake up, do the puja, and you can have food like which includes salt. And this vrat is associated with the goddess Parvati. तो उसमें ऐसा ही होता है that 5 days you have to fast, and as I told you that not eating certain things, and the main thing is that you don't have to eat salt. You don't have to include थोड़ा सा भी salt in any of your meals, and it's like तुम लोग एक टाइम खा सकते हो, that is in the morning or in the evening. So I choose to eat in the evening sometimes, and morning mein I have just the milkshakes and fruits, dry fruits, and in the evening I have food like roti and the sabji of banana और muskmelon, कुछ भी जो भी available होता है वो with roti, but in roti also there should not be any salt. So yeah, that's about it, and this entire video is going to be related to Jaya Parvati and to all the girls. All the girls will like it, and yeah, of course even the boys if they are curious to know about it. And yes, I'll be telling you that what I eat for the next 5 days, what I eat in my lunch and my dinner, and बीच में also I'll be having something because यार भूख तो लगती है ना, तो but I'll be eating things which don't include salt mainly, and fruits ही होंगे mostly, तो बाकी we'll see what's there. For today's dinner we have roti, buttermilk, and this is melon. It has only oil, jeera and water, and sugar too. So the sabzi is going to be a little sweet. So as I can't have salt, so sugar is the only option, and I think so lemon also. And the buttermilk is also without salt. So yeah, that's for the dinner today. Today we have roti as usual without salt. This is मोरस की भाजी. इसमें नमक तो डाल ही नहीं सकते, बट इसमें इनबिल्ट नमक होता है बिकॉज ये सी के पास ग्रो होती है, सो इट हैज़ इनबिल्ट सॉल्ट. एंड दिस इज़ बर्फ़ी, दिस इज़ काजू बर्फ़ी. एंड आई विल ऑल्सो हैव बटर मिल्क, बट आई एम नॉट पोरिंग इट नाउ बिकॉज अगर वो भर दिया तो फिर मैं वही पीऊँगी और फिर खाना नहीं खा पाऊँगी. सो या दैट्स इट. So hey guys, this is day 3 and I'm really very sorry, but I forgot to update you since 2 days that in lunch I'm not having anything. मैं सिर्फ छाछ पीती हूँ, buttermilk, that's it. And रात को तो you know what I have. So that is that. And but today, which is day 3, I'll be having something because I'm really very hungry. But I think so I'll be having दूधी का हलवा and छाछ, I think so. So let's see what I have. I'll be recording that because 2 days से तो मैंने ऐसे कुछ खाया ही नहीं है जो मैं ऐसे रिकॉर्ड कर सकूँ. It's only dry fruits and buttermilk, that's it. So today I'll be having what I said, दूधी का हलवा and छाछ, and रात को you will see what's there. So for dinner we have this is roti as usual. This is that मोरस की भाजी जो मैंने तुम लोग को कल बताई थी, बट आज वो पनीर के साथ है. सो इट हैज़ घी, जीरा, पनीर एंड दैट भाजी. दिस इज दूधी का हलवा फॉर टुडे स्वीट. एंड दिस इज मिर्ची बिकॉज आई लव तीखा. सो या दैट इज इट फॉर द डिनर टुडे. As you already saw, and the first thing I'm going to do is change my clothes because I am very I'm tired and I'm feeling hot right now because it is hot and बारिश बंद हो गई है तो और ज़्यादा गर्मी होने लगी है, but the wind is nice, so that's good. But still, and after changing my clothes and into my comfy clothes, I'll be having my lunch. For today's lunch I have my peach and kaju katli, and the other thing I have is some dry fruits and छाछ. You can forget छाछ. छाछ तो पक्का ही है, कुछ भी ना खाओ फिर भी छाछ तो is fixed only that I'll be having. And the other thing is कुछ नहीं. So you have to wait and watch what I'll have for dinner today. So till that time, stay tuned and रात को बताऊंगी. Dinner I have mangoes. This is mango shrikhand and this is paratha. So mommy gave me mango with mango shrikhand. So she's like that you will taste it better because मैंगो और मैंगो चिकन दोनों ही. और मैं शायद से हैव ग्रीन चिली विद इट बिकॉज स्वीट हो जाएगा ना, तो ऐसा तीखा तीखा थोड़ा. हैव ग्रीन चिली टू. Hey guys, so today is day 5, the last day, but not the official last day because the official last day will be tomorrow. That is 6th day, because even tomorrow I will have to wake up early and do puja and then only I can have food. The food now finally, which includes salt. So today is the last day and I'll have peaches and dry fruits, and also I have today copra pak. My mom made it, so I'll have that, and that's it. And I'll have chas. And for tonight You will have to see what I'll have. And there's one more surprise, that today I'll be doing a jagran. So on the last day we are supposed to stay awake till 6 o'clock in the morning. So I have to wait, I have to stay awake till 6 in the morning, and then only I can sleep. And uske baad bhi उठ के I have to do the puja again, and then I have to have my lunch. So we'll see how that goes. Bye. So today we again have moras ki bhaji. We have dahi, then mirchi, roti, and we have this kaju puri which we had 2 days earlier, I think so. So I liked it, so I'm having it again. So yeah, that is it for lunch, and I'll also have my buttermilk, my chas. So that's it for dinner. Now wait for tonight.